How to appear offline on Roblox. So go ahead and open up your Roblox application. In the home page, click on the three dots icon. It can be seen on the lower right corner of the page. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. In here, your account information, security, privacy, parental controls, billing, and notification settings will then show. What we need to look into is the privacy, so click on that. Now scroll down in here until the communication tab. Make sure to turn everything in here to only me. This way, no one can see your status. So the one who can message me, turn it to no one or friends if you would want that. Next, the one who can chat me in the app, make that into no one as well. And lastly, who can chat with me, turn that to no one as well. So that is how to appear offline on Roblox. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.